What if we developed technology to prevent earthquakes? Imagine sensors that could detect tectonic shifts and trigger a response, like diverting energy to absorb shocks or activating stabilizing mechanisms within the Earth's crust. This could revolutionize urban planning, allowing cities to thrive in seismically active zones without fear. Engineers might create flexible buildings that adapt in real time, preventing structural damage. Furthermore, global collaboration could enhance monitoring systems, ensuring early warnings for vulnerable populations. The economic and social benefits would be immense, but ethical dilemmas might arise. Would we over-rely on technology? Like this video and subscribe for more fascinating content.